Right, I'm going to show you how to make a simple Java factory. So there's the basic, got a basic Hello World program. So the first thing we need to do is to create an interface. So I'll create this new interface. I'll call it a shape interface. So we're going to create a shape factory. And the only method I'm going to have on this, so we're going to have something where we can create lots of different kinds of shapes based on this shape interface, and the common method that they all have is draw. So now we'll create a class based on this interface. And we'll call it circle class. So we've got a circle class, and that implements a shape interface. So we'll define the draw method. Void. And we'll just do this is a circle. Use your imagination. So that's the circle class. I'll just copy paste that, and I'll create another one. I'll make a square class. Square class. I'll just paste that over. Change the name. So the square class. Oops. Square. So square class implements shape interface, and again, use your imagination. This is a square. It's got these two different classes that are implementations of the shape interface. Circle class, square class. Okay, so we've got those two. Now we need to create our shape factory. And we'll call it shape factory. And so we have shape class being returned from get shape. And we pass into that, whoops, we pass into that the shape type that we want back from the factory. Sorry, that should be shape interface actually. So we can say if the shape type equals circle, return new circle class. And then if the shape type is a square, return square class. And then just to finish it off, we'll just put a null in case it's neither of those. So that's it. So there's our shape factory. It's just got one method, get shape. It's expecting either a request for a circle or a square, and it'll return an object of either class, depending on which one we're interested in. So we go back to the main method now. I'll show you how to use a factory. So let's create a new factory, shape factory SF, new shape factory, and then we can say shape interface SI1. Let's make it a bit clearer. Let's let's just call it a circle. Object. So we've got a circle object. So the circle object is of type shape interface. So the circle object equals shape factory get shape circle, and then a square object is get shape square. And then we've got those two, so we should just be able to do a draw. So circle object dot draw. So I'll just print the message, this is a circle, and duplicate that line. Square object, and that will print the message, this is a square. So I can just run this now. You should see the two messages. And there we go. Hello world, this is a circle, this is a square. And that's a Java factory.